The basic understanding is of highest importance. It's of importance for the transmission. It's of importance for how to develop a means against it, how to develop treatment, and how ideally also find a vaccine.
我们在分离到病毒之后，迅速进行了疫苗种子突出的筛选和研制。
So far, the bulk of people who succumb to this virus is still people with underlying conditions or the elderly or weak people with weaker health systems.
Although we know a lot about SARS and we know a lot about MERS, we really don't know a lot about this new coronavirus. And I would be reluctant to encourage people to translate knowledge from those two viruses to this virus.
As it behaves flu-like, you can also protect yourself as it were against somebody having a flu. It stays on surface, yes, but if you touch a door handle, for example, or I would cough into my hand and then pass you my phone, immediately it could transfer, but if you pass by half an hour later, there should be not a problem anymore.
私ももう席に着くなりすぐ寝ております。皆さん一応にほっとすると同時にどっと疲れたという状況だったんじゃないかと思います。